Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we're going to be making a chicken and salsa pasta. So very first thing, we want to get our pasta into the boiling salted water. We're dropping our pasta in, and while that's cooking, we're going to begin to cook our chicken. So let that start going. I'm going to season it with a little salt, a little fresh cracked black pepper. Okay, we're going to let our chicken go until all of the pink disappears. Then we're going to add in our salsa and our corn, and we're going to bring it to a simmer. So before we do that, while the chicken is working away, I am going to go ahead and add in our sliced green bell pepper. Let that all work together. So once the outside of the chicken is nearly all the way white, it's still going to be a little pink on the inside, we're ready to add in our corn. And ready to add in our salsa. Combine all of this together. I'm going to lower the heat. We're going to let this simmer away. Doesn't get any more simple than this. Alright, so we're going to let this simmer and let the chicken continue to cook all the way through while our pasta cooks. Alright, so our chicken has simmered away. It's cooked through now. Our pasta is ready to be drained, and we're going to add it straight to the pan. Alright, we're going to go right in with our pasta. Give it a stir to combine. Okay, so once you get it all incorporated together, we can add our cheese over the top. I'm going to go ahead and kill the heat. That is all there is to this. Extremely simple. It'll be great for dinner. It'll make great leftovers as well. You can have it for lunch the next day. So we'll plate this up and we'll show you the finished product in just a couple of minutes.